In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. We're going to move from a simple Google search to working inside the Wix editor and finish by using Wix AI to create a custom text animation. I'll explain what to look for at each stage so you can follow along confidently. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Wix. You should see the official Wix website appear near the top of the results. Look for the link that reads Wix.com, Website Builder. Create a free website in minutes. It's the trusted entry point that takes you straight to Wix's platform. If you see ads or similar sounding results, double-check the web address to make sure it's the official Wix.com domain before clicking. Click that result to go to Wix. From here, you'll either land on the homepage or be prompted to sign in. If you're asked to log in, use your usual credentials and continue. After you're in, you'll be taken to the Wix dashboard. This is your control center where you manage your sites and settings. On the dashboard, locate the option labeled Design Site. Depending on your setup, you might see Edit Site or a similar button that opens the editor for your chosen project. Click Design Site to launch the Wix editor for the website you want to work on. If you manage more than one site, make sure the correct project is selected before opening the editor so you don't edit the wrong one. Once the editor loads, look for the Wix AI tools. These may appear as an AI assistant icon or a panel labeled Wix AI. Open it, then in the prompt field, type exactly, "Create a custom text animation." Give the AI a moment to process. It will suggest animation styles or generate animated text elements you can add to your page. Preview the suggestions to see how they look with your layout. When you apply an option, you can usually fine-tune details like font, size, color, timing, and the entry or exit style. Aim for contrast and readability so your animated text is clear on all backgrounds. Keep the animation duration smooth, fast enough to feel lively, but not so quick that it's hard to read. Consistency matters too. If your site already uses a certain motion style, choose an animation that complements it. Finally, use the editor's preview to check both desktop and mobile views, and adjust spacing or timing if anything feels cramped on smaller screens. That's it. You searched for Wix on Google, opened the Wix site, clicked Design Site to reach the editor, and used Wix AI to create a custom text animation. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.